akwaba and found Ragan and Sem TVGH so what friend me Ajua searching.
Sadin Casadin. Casadin.
Oh, yeah. What to buy it? Yet, you had that Obia Cassie. If you look at this buy, that Bia or Muya Yase, Anna Kuraya, what a band.
By MPP Pine, sister.
No, Bias and
I don't almost my day, almost my day. Danny, almost my day.
Almost about my
Debbie.
I'm one here.
Ebeba pepe. Sabe pepe. Yeah. You know what to man, and they know what you go on. Debbie almost told they come on, I said. But the other yes. Yes, and yes.
I'm on
Today is a sad day. I don't know whether to term it as one of the darkest days in Ghana. Just look at what I've posted up there. Kevin Taylor. I don't think Kevin Taylor needs any introduction. This guy has basically or virtually insulted the Otunfo. He's insulted religious leaders. He's insulted tribes. He's insulted pastors. Virtually everybody in this country. And there was a bench warrant placed on this guy. Since 2020 for defamation. And according to the lawyers, there are two forms of contempt. One you can commit in the courtroom, or one outside the courtroom, which I understand they call it ex facie curia also. So it is the ex facie curia type of contempt that was on Kevin Taylor. This guy was brought into town, allegedly housed in the vice president's residence, protected with the state security, taken to court, and we have our bench. Our bench. And you see, you want this name, the Unanimous FC, to get stuck. We have our bench. Today, quashing the bench warrant. So basically, our bench is telling us that the kind of denigration Kevin Taylor has done to Otunfo means nothing to them. The kind of incitement he's done against tribes, insulting tribal groups, religious leaders, they mean nothing to them. You see, the state should not be seen to be condoning such acts. The state should not be seen. But that is what we are heading towards. And the bench or the judiciary is the surviving institution that every Ghanaian places his or her trust in. But you see, it's beginning to look like the government really meant it when he decided that they will appoint people to balance the appointment of former President Nana. So the word balancing, all of us can read between the lines. And truly, they are balancing the bench. If you are someone of an Akan tribe and you hear a whole Otunfo being insulted by this guy, the America which he stays in, or he lives in, can he do same and still consider himself to be an American citizen or to be allowed to be in America? We all know when it comes to human rights, America basically leads the world. But even in America, there are certain things you can't do. Look, I don't want to drag this. It is basically very, very, very pathetic. Very, very pathetic. But
Enuanom galamsefo medical kan kire mo se obi si u site se obefa excavator wodidi udwuma e mane mfa se wo free hen se hwan na asoma no se hana bisiu noa mu na beba wo site se obefa wo excavator e ma ne mfa organize boys na je wo excavator ni free ni nsem na mompa mo no nko onimu kwanya ye fa so bra galamsa onko bole bamboy ye wura John Dramani Mahama Kurom tuntumba ensuo kakra wo ho a ye nuanom de do cabbage otamelo edi ye wo mumfuo no John Dramani Mahama asanso excavators yakoguo A3ka galamse John Dragamani Mahama azan keonetifo president ensuo kakra aka ye nuanom nordness edi ye mfuo e survival ene hia brain ne ya ho kire no wasanso excavators yakogun mo excavator ne ya beje ye no ene ye de ne nyina akogu tuntumba John Mahama ehunu se gold bia unity wo ho eno no waso mo mansofo takwa bogoso mo excavator no obeje ye no ode akogu tuntumba A3ka galamse medical ka akire mo se obi pie wo site se obeje umfidi a organize boys ye wo ho na munyi mfidie ni mfiri omo nsem mu betimi amomo wo mo na mompam wo mu mfiri asase ne so mo wo manso takwa bogoso eni nkura aka ema wobi maje wo machine anabisi unim kwanya e faso bra galamsa ye nuanom omo wo north ensuo kakra aka sabi wo mo de ye wo mu mfudie edidi no eho nene mu mfidie a yageye yaso akogu tuntumba bole bamboy eho enene ye A3ka galamse no ensam twrofo ni kurom hane dabi Ghana nsem twrofo nyina tukwan Ghana nsem twrofo nyina tukwan achem eni yetimi kwotwa baaye be kire Ghana fo si yedi galamse wo ho akufu adu fie na busua fie ni mfikire ene tuntumba bole bamboy John Dramani Mahama Kurom yes eho nene ye A3ka galamse UTV fo ni kurowe mu TV3 fo ni kurowe mu Adom TV omuniha aha Onua TV station motukwan mona mo Captain Smart muni kuroyimu muniha MPP ba na ehunu ahemfofo sori kurowe mu obi atukwan asofo adidima asofo atukwan azan asofo akonfo amugu asore dem samonya asofo omunyina atukwan Ghana akonfo ene o mabegu aso dem asofo o matukwan omuni kurowe mu bole bamboy enene mumfidi ya beje ye tuntumba eho neguo o pe wa fidi age akotuntumba pe mema di wachi ne kotuntumba obekonesi wo Mahama di galamse mufi sambe tima kanipa anu atum wo kurom ha mu betumi akanipa anu atum wo kurom ha ene radio station ni TV station wo kurom ha ntimi nkasa o mabanyaba ya hye mu mfunu mu ye ntumi enton omai we mamo mo magisika kamano atum ene nkrofo sei wo mawe ye ntimi nton omai we mamo ye ntimi nton omai we mamo medical ka kire mo wo manso takwa bogoso galamse site ya ewo aha ye fom ha obisi woso obefa wo machine se hwan hana bisi message wo machine free nsem ubetimi abono onim kwan ye fa so bra galamse a onko tuntumba bole bamboy onko bra